Welcome to day 18's Builds Habit session. Today we are going to do another task, that is to write daily notes in English. So what you have to do, you have to keep a diary or a journal in English to develop writing and thinking skills. You can choose one of your notebooks or a diary or a small piece of paper. That is also enough. And you can start writing your thoughts, your ideas, everything that you can write. Daily you should do this. And you have to think and write, then you can develop your thinking skills, and at the same time you can improve your writing also. That is very necessary. And if you have any doubts regarding any of the grammar or any spelling mistakes or spelling errors or some anything that you have, you can ask to your personal trainer and make a clarification. Okay, so do that. So on day 18, I'm giving you another set of words. There are 6 words for you. The first word is relieved. Relieved means feeling relaxed and happy because of something bad didn't happen. Relieved means very relaxed. Okay. The examples are: I felt relieved when I found my lost keys. That must have been a huge relief. Like one person is getting back his keys that is like found to be lost. Okay, that so that he's feeling some relaxation or relieved. Oh, my keys are back with me. That feeling he has got. And the next example is: he is relieved that the exam went well. Now he can finally relax. One person finished his exams, finished with this exams. And one boy, like he has done with the his 10th standard exam, and he is relieved or he is relaxed. That is, he can do any other things. He can go for picnic or tour or anything like that. He is free from his exams and studies. And the next word for you is: are you kidding me? Are you kidding me means what? Expressing disbelief or surprise. Are you mocking at me? Are you kidding at me? And the examples are: the ticket sold out in 2 minutes. Are you kidding at me? That's crazy. Two people are going to watch film, and they find that what is it happening? The tickets are sold out. So what happens there? Like one is asking to other person, "Oh, are you kidding at me? The tickets are sold, and we eagerly came to watch the movie, but it is sold out." That is a thing. And the next example: he quit his job without a backup plan. Are you kidding me? That's a big risk. Two people again conversing and telling that one of their friends quit the job, and one is asking to other person, "Are you kidding at me? That he has done a very mad or foolish thing. That job, losing his job is a risk thing." And now the next word for you is fair enough. Fair enough means what? Accepting something as reasonable. That is okay. Like let's accept that. It's okay if I accept that. Fair enough. A fair deal like that will tell. No, that is it. And let's see the examples. I can't join the meeting due to prior commitments. Fair enough. Let's reschedule it. One person is telling that I'm not able to attend the meeting because I have other commitments to complete. So the other person is replying, no problem, we'll reschedule it. And the next example: the budget is tight, so we will have to adjust. Fair enough, let's prioritize it. Like the one team or one group is planning to go for a trip, and they're telling that we have a low budget, so we have to what adjust. So the other team members or the group members are telling that okay, no problem, fair enough, it's okay, we'll prioritize the important things first, then we'll go to the minor things. That is the thing. And the next word is impressed. Impressed means what? Feeling admiration or respect for something or someone. Like if we are seeing someone singing very nicely, we'll get impressed now. So we'll feel so much admiration to that person. That is it. And examples are: I was impressed by her singing talent. She has such a beautiful voice. Same thing what I told. We are finding that one girl is singing so good, and we will feel admired to that girl. That is a thing. And such a beautiful voice. We'll tell that such a beautiful voice she is having, and we admire so much. The next example: they were impressed with your presentation skills. Thanks, I worked hard on it. One person is presenting before a large audience, and the team or the manager is telling that we are impressed with your presentation. That is very good. That is really what appreciating or appreciable. You are really doing a very good job. That is a thing. And the next word is in a nutshell. In a nutshell means briefly, summarized form. Okay, examples are: in a nutshell, the movie is fantastic. Great, I will watch it soon. This one lengthy movie, talking about one lengthy movie and telling that in short or in a nutshell, the movie is fantastic. The movie is very nice to see. In short, right? Okay. And the next example is: can you explain the project in a nutshell? Sure, it's about improving customer service. One person is asking, or let him be the company owner or CEO or something, and he is asking, can you explain the project to this workers? He's telling that, can you explain the project in a nutshell, in a just you can you explain? Then the person, the team members or the workers are replying that, yeah, we will explain it. In short, the project is about customer service. Short, in one word, they have explained. And the last word is nervous. Nervous means what? Feeling worried or anxious about something, very afraid. That nervousness feeling it is. Examples are, I was nervous before my interview. That's normal, but you didn't. You did it great. Before the interview, one person is feeling nervousness because he is wondering what is happening, or he is really afraid what will happen. Will he get the job, or will he lose all those things? He's thinking, and that is a normal thing, right? That happens to everyone. And the next example, he gets nervous speaking in front of a crowd. With practice he'll feel more confident. One boy is very much afraid to talk in front of a crowd because he is not having such a practice of doing that. So by repeated doing, he is okay, he'll be getting back to the track and he'll be able to talk nicely in front of a crowd. That is the word nervousness and its usage.